Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This beautiful AT4 is powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4, automatic headlights with your fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating in the AT4. We have our integrated trailer braking system, auto stop start, USB ports and an outlet. Truck has dual glove boxes as well as our heated and ventilated our AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the truck, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, nice aggressive tread, the new version of the old Duratrax. Available now, we do have the keyless entry on both door handles, AT4, 6.2 liter plaque. AT4 comes with the standard 2-inch lift up front, making room for those big aggressive tires. We do have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, red signature tow hooks. Coming to the back of the truck, color matched door handles with the color matched window trim as well, all blacked out, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start. At the back of the AT4, dual chrome exhaust tips with the rear bumper, step ups in that bumper. You do have your your trailer tow hitch, as well as your LED brake lights and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the back of the truck, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready with in-seat storage. Solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and a solid roof with LED lighting. Dual USB ports as well as rubberized floor liners installed for the rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.